This is the letter N. Big N, little n. The letter N makes the N sound like nest. A lot of words begin with the letter N, like nut, nurse, night, nose, net. What other word begins with the letter N? N is for... That's right, narwhal. What is a narwhal? Narwhals are fascinating creatures that live in the chilly waters of the Arctic around places like Canada and Greenland. They are special because of their long, twisty tusk or horn, which is actually a tooth that sticks out from their heads. Narwhals like to eat fish, squid, and shrimp, and they use a special way of making sounds called echolocation to find their food under the ice. These friendly animals swim in groups called pods and can dive really deep, sometimes going down over 4,900 feet. Let's look at the narwhal. What are the parts of a narwhal? I see the horn, the head, body, tail, and flippers. Let's look at some different narwhals for ideas. What do you see? I see narwhals in many different styles. There's no right or wrong way to make a narwhal. Let's draw a narwhal. You need paper, marker, and something to make color with. Time to create our narwhal art. All right, today for our narwhal, we're going to come to the side middle-ish of the paper and begin with a rainbow line kind of laying on its side a little bit, a little slanted. It'll be our narwhal's head. Then we're going to make his flipper. We're going to do a curved line, a gently curved line, and then from the bottom, we're going to make a point and do another curved line up, but it's not going to be kind of open, almost like a V. Then we're going to put our finger on his headline and run our finger down through the flipper, and where it comes out, where your finger ends, on the other side of the flipper, you're going to do a curved line up. And then we're going to go top of the headline, do the same thing, kind of pull your finger down and map out where you want his back to go. So I'm going to do a matching curved line from his head and up. So now we have his head, his flipper, his body, and this is where his tail is going to go. We're going to do one curved line. From the point, we're going to pull it back down. Very nice. From this side, you're going to do another curved line up, and then from the point, pull it back down. Awesome. So now we have his flipper, his tail, body, and head. We're going to come to the middle-ish of the head and do a small circle with a smaller circle on the inside and color it in for his eye. We're going to go underneath the eye and do a smile line up. Now I'm going to make my smile line a little thicker. Make sure that we can really see that our narwhal's having a great day. Big old smile. All right, I'm going to put my finger on the eye and pull it forward. Oop. And then on the outside of the head where my finger went, I know I can do his horn. And you can make your horn as long and as tall as you want to. I'm going to do a straight line up almost to the end of my paper and then pull the straight line back down. I want him to have a long horn. And I'm going to go ahead and add in little straight lines inside of his horn just to give it a little bit of extra detail. Is I'm going to do a line from underneath the narwhal horn down to his flipper, and then from behind his flipper I'm going to draw a line from the back of his flipper to the back of where his tail starts, just to give him a little bit extra detail. Alright, narwhal starts with the letter N. So I'm going to do a big N and a little N just to help me remember. All right, let's add some color to our narwhal. So I decided to go with a light blue because that reminded me of the Arctic water where narwhals like to live. But then I got a little silly with it and added in some yellow and orange and pink. Ta-da! You made a narwhal. That's neat. Remember, narwhal is for N, the letter N. Thank you for joining us today. Please consider liking and subscribing to Bold Soul Whimsy. See you in the next one.